someone asked you today, what's the most important day of your life? What's that one day that you woke up and thought, wow, this must be the most important day of my life? What would your answer be? Let me know, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what that day will be before we start this. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Here's the thing, a lot of people will go to the major days, the day I graduated, the day I had my firstborn, the day I got married, the day I got that job promotion, the day I finally became rich. Those are the days that people gravitate to. Those are the days that people go for, right? But if you actually stop for a minute, step back and think about it, what is really the most important day of your life? Like, whatever that day, the day that you think, whatever it is for you, the day that you think was the most important day for you, years later, was it really the most important day for your life? When you got that promotion, you thought it was the most important day of your life. Years later, did that job really fulfill that inner happiness? Did it really fulfill you to? Did it get you to where you wanted to get to? Right? When you graduated, after a month, 2 months, 3 months, did it lead you on a path that made you happy? Because it's all twisted. I mean, the whole thing's twisted. You think, wow, do you know what? The most important day was the day I got my kids. And it really may be, because some people really do go and they have children and it completely changes their lives. And a lot of people say that, right? And if that's you, amazing, right? But it's not that for everyone. Sometimes people have kids and their lives are not really fulfilled. Sometimes people have kids and they're not really happy. So I think before you run to the day I graduated, the day I got that promotion, the day I bought my first Bentley, the day I bought my mansion or whatnot, you need to understand first and foremost that the most important day of your life is the day you truly and truly understand why you were born. The day you truly and truly understand that what makes you you, what makes you happy, what truly fulfills you. Because only then can you actually live a full life. There's no two ways around that. You know what I mean? There's no point saying, oh, the day that made me the most important day of my life was the day I got that, job with a corner office on the 90th floor. Yeah, but if after you got that job and you got the money and everything else, the days and the years that followed, you're depressed, you're stressed, you're up and down, you're flying up and down and you're always stressed, that wasn't the most important. It may actually be the worst day of your life. You just don't know it. Did it change your life financially? Yes. But did it also make you depressed and stressed every day? Yes. Do you know what I mean? So there's that. So are you really trading financial freedom for depression and being stressed and waking up angry every morning, crying about a 9 to 5? Right? The day you got your kid looked like it was the most important day of your life, and hopefully it is. Do you know what I mean? I really, really hope it is. But the years that followed, was the relationship, did it become what you thought it would become? Of course you love your kids, but did they really fulfill you as they should have? Those are questions you need to ask yourself. Because if the answer is no, then you need to understand that wasn't the most important day of your life. You still need to figure out what makes you you. Why were you put on this earth? What makes you happy? Because then you figure out how to live a full life. You might find, you like running in the forest, mate. Maybe that's your thing. You like waking up in the morning and jogging around in the forest. And if that's your thing, then that's it. That's the day you figure that out. That's it. Because when you wake up every day and you go and jog in the morning, you'll be the happiest person. And at that particular point, it doesn't matter if you're riding a bike back home or you're driving a Bentley back home. It does not matter, because at the end of it all, when you run in that forest that day, you're happy. You're happy, and that's it. That's really all that matters. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, hit the subscribe button. Keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.